Hello, this is Debbie and I'm going to show you how to do today's craft. It's an origami butterfly. So you can make them different sizes, but the one that we're going to make today is you'll need a 6 by 6 inch squared piece of computer or construction paper. So once you have that, and you also need a pencil, scissors, and a ruler for this craft. So once you get your square, then you're going to fold it into a triangle and then open it and fold the other half over into a triangle. You're going to fold up on one side, open it again, and then fold up on the other side. So that you get a pattern of these smaller triangles, and then you can fold up in the middle. So just take the center and push this side triangles down until you get a triangle that looks like this. So you're going to fold it in half now. And then this open end, take your scissors and cut a little bit off in the shape of a wing, so just round it off like that. Open it up and you have a shape of a diamond now. So you have these two pieces on the side, and you're going to take this one and you're not going to fold it straight down the center, you're going to fold it so that it goes out like this. And you're going to do the same thing for the other side. So not straight down the center, but fold it off to the side so the wings go off at an angle like that. Then you're going to take the bottom part and you're going to flip it back up so that you have a little part of the top that can fold over. And then push it down and secure that. And then you can fold it in half. And then now you have your butterfly. And that's it. It was really simple to do, and you can make them, like I said, in different sizes, different colors. You can decorate the wings, and it's a cute and simple craft. So I hope you enjoyed watching it today. Have a great afternoon. Bye.